Hello everyone. Today I'm very excited and you can say desperate to show you what all magic we can do with GPT-4 Vision. And this is the one which was released around last week of September. And what it can do is like how you can get your answers out of any given image. So I until I get the access of it, I thought to grab some images from RoboFlow's blog as well as some from the Cello's Twitter account and thought to share with you. So before getting started, let me quickly show you the official page of this. So this is what we have on the OpenAI documentation and like 4V where V stands for vision, and this is what it can do for us. So I would recommend you to go ahead and read this. If you want, you can also explore the paper by clicking on this particular link. So this tells you how they were able to achieve and what all things we can get out of this GPT-4V. And here you can see it was released on 25th of September. So before wasting much time, let's get started by looking at few of the key examples what we can do. So the very first one is, let me pull it. Yeah. So the very first one is, let's say you want to identify some place. So you can just take a picture, provide it to GPT, and it will tell you which place is this. So in this given slide, you can see that this is the view from the San Francisco, California, and it is one of the very renowned building. So if you don't know which image is this or what all other images you have, you can definitely use this particular GPT-4V to check that out. Next thing is captcha. So let you must have seen the screen many times on your website. So whenever you are playing here and there on the browsers, so you don't know how to do this. So just click the picture and ask with a prompt, what should I do? And it will give you a clear explanation of what has to be done. So in nutshell, we can say it can also help you solve in your captcha. Next one is, let's say you want to read the serial numbers. So with neck dials, or sometimes it's not clearly visible to the human, but now that thing can be done using GPT-4V, and it comes under the character recognition. So here you can see it was successfully able to read the serial number, which was 190002787780. I think I made this mistake. It has to be removed. But yeah, ultimate goal is to show you that we can do the character recognition as well. Next question is how to solve this difficult math problem. So it's like kind of very common among the students that there are some problem in the textbooks and they don't know how to solve it. So now GPT is there for you. You can just click the image and say solve it. It will go ahead and provide you the explanation along with the solution of the problem. So this is again a very great feature if any instructor or professors or even student wants to use this. So that's the one thing. Another one is helping in solving Sudoku. So how to solve the Sudoku problem. So it will give you a clear explanation. Just take the picture of your Sudoku and provide general instructions like what has to be done in the empty spaces or what has to be done with the numbers, and it will tell you how this can be solved. Similarly, crosswords you can solve. So crossword is like one of the very difficult problems, I would say, and it can help you in solving that as well. So you can see that how easy it is to just get the help. Now, you are from some other country, you have currency from other country, and you don't know how much money is this, or how much coins do you have, or which country these coins belongs to. So these things can also be sorted using GPT. Just click a picture and share it. So this is the coin, and you don't know which country does this coin belongs to. So click the picture, and it will tell you, okay, this is the coin which belongs to United States, and it's featuring President Abraham Lincoln. So this is how it is, and I think you got an idea what all great things we can do. So I'm just waiting for my subscription, and once it is done, I will show you some more magic about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and stay tuned for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.